Welcome to the Panasonic KX-NS1000 phone system. Just really briefly going to go through this phone system's interface. This is one of the great multi-site, multi-purpose phone systems made by Panasonic. In particular, this phone system has a lot of strengths when it comes to networking and multi-site installation. So I'm just quickly going to flick through it here, and I will add more detailed videos one after another around different features and functions, but I'll just give you a quick brief overview of this system. And as you can see there, we've come to the opening screen and you can see my KX-NS1000 right there, and these would be all the sites under it. So this one here is the master, and these are all the sites under it. If I flick across to here, you'll see it in its PBX mode, its IP address, its MAC address, all that sort of stuff. It all pops up there in the state of the system. So this is just one of my test systems in-house. So let's have a bit of a look inside it. So there's an extension list view, there's the ability to save the system's data, information. We don't really ever use that. But there's maintenance and setup. So if we go into setup, and give me a little thing, so it's all programmed through a straight up web interface. You'll notice I'm local, so I'm not using a secure connection here. Then we have users and user profiles under that, and I'm currently logged in as the installer. And then I can add in a user, single, multiple users under that, and so they can log in on their own web interface. So if I go in here to PBX configuration, you'll see there's slots, and what it'll show here is there's the phone system, and there's a stacking card on this one. So that stacking card means I can connect to an old Panasonic phone system, and if you see their legacy gateway, it's an NCP 500. There's an old analog card in it, there's a digital hybrid card in it for phones, there's the options board for like door phones and all that sort of stuff, and Deezer and things, and then there's an analog extension card there. Okay, but we tend to come into virtual. There's our SIP gateway, SIP extensions, our IP gateway for interconnecting phone systems, IP extensions, SIP extensions, and DECT heads, so mobile phones, cordless phones. And there's our portable station assignment and stuff. Okay, so under that we can set, date and time, all the usual settings, operator, background music, timers, counters, week tables, etc. All our system options, audio gain for paging music on hold and different system cards. Also, one of the big things we tend to go to is groups, so trunk group settings, incoming call distribution groups, extension hunting, groups, voicemail groups if we've got an external voicemail system. It's all in there. Extensions, we've got wired extensions, forward, do not disturb, speed dials for the individual phone, flexible buttons, the normal extension settings, and the clip ID tables, all the other things there. Portable stations, essentially, right, you'll see it there. Sorry, I'm trying to go through it quicker. I did one earlier and it was way too long. Features, system speed dials, hotel, verification, tenants, yep, trunk route selection, emergency dial codes, all that stuff, ARS, leading digits, carriers, all those sorts of things, private network tie lines and NDSS tables, CO and incoming calls, maintenance feature there, primarily more for, if I go into the main here, you'll see when it comes up, the syslog information, so SMDR, SMDR information, not syslog. Syslog is elsewhere in the system under that hammer there. RS-232 connection still available, maintenance, passwords, etc. CS synchronization for our DECT heads. It's going to come up very shortly. There you go. But we're not doing any asyncs, that's alright. Unified messaging, voicemails, auto configuration, service groups. If I show you custom service menu, this is pretty cool. So for setting up complex custom services, if I bring that up there, you'll see there it's a point and click. I can add those things into it, which is pretty cool. Okay, holiday tables, system parameters, yep. And then of course, because it's an NS700, we have router configuration, firewall, VPN, all this stuff is all built into the box and very, very cost effective. IP address server features there, client features there, so SMTP if you're setting up your mail for the server, and there's some rerouting stuff there, and then there's NAS and security, so it's pretty cool. Now if I go across the hammer, so maintenance, you'll see there I can connect UPS, CS information, BS, USB information, programming updates, so I can update all the phones and all that from here from a single point of entry. Tools, backups, all that stuff, import and export files, utilities, maintenance, trace the whole lots of things. So very, very quickly just flew across the top of that phone system. But I hope you really enjoy this quick video to show you that yeah, this is an incredible piece of kit and really, really versatile, from supporting old technology through to the very latest in IP phones and SIP-based telephony. So I will add to these videos later. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Thank you.